The United Democratic Party mentaka singla pinpau ka Kyrshan yukarai ka nehu ban Pyntreikam no ya ka National Education Policy haki college ki papinyaso ba ka nehu haki kerdan undergraduate course. Haba cringe kilat pathai ko board General Secretary ka UDP ubade nong hikai ka school ba ka nehu Dr. Jamino Mautho ula aung makajing wanra ban Pyntreikam ya ka National Education Policy 2020 kan day na kabenta ka jingmentoy ki Samla Pule bat kum ka party kam sngaw day ba ka Jylla kan nang sa shadien kat ba Kiwei kila jam shakmat hakabay day ba ka NEP. U Dr. Jamino Mautho ula aung bo Vice Chancellor school ba nehu u Professor PS Shukla ula day ban khot lang ya baro ki kinhon bo pher kanang man ya Kyrshan halor ka kam Shwaban pentalun shakmat ya kani ka jingtmu na ka benta ka jingmentoy ki Samla Pule ka Jylla.
I know. I think NEP has to roll. Our state has to move forward also. But there may be problems here and there. And I think the nitty-gritty of this issue relating to the NEP, as pointed out by the Vice Chancellor, all the stakeholders has to come together so that we can move forward. Problems will be there. When any new thing is being introduced, any reforms is being introduced, there will be difficulties. But we have to move ahead. We cannot lag behind. NEP has to be implemented, but if there are problems, those problems should be, discussed. Should be discussed and addressed. How do we resolve those issues, faced by the colleges and other stakeholders?
About junior we can again be atu pi na mga lang Pyntreikam ni pi control mga ka you see have the choice based system and Pyntreikam house na masa atu la ding Pyntreikam man hari ko tayo kan jab ng mga
Pi nado ako to por choice based credit system runday itu la di man Pyntreikam dia kani haka NEP ru la long gi kum tai klayan ina ka tuhi kamde po ang ban kabatmai pi shong ba mangingim dai ban suki balan ban le ke ken ku state namar latangi kwa hi ban kan tiu ya kan ke education sector ka state ke jungi ni ha ban ya chmat kumau mentan ki jingi ki don hi mo la kawan kan nu jing kala ban kan kala ki nu reforms ki jingi kita ma te ban ni la kan ban overcome ni ban address kan kita angta ban jingi ni ban persya overcome jadi katakan kamut pada bahkan ni NEP mentah kaya dah kawai kayu no kamu enggak tahu kom